how I relay my frontal, my black MV union. Uh, I was getting ready for the club. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So I'm just showing you how I do a quick fix, a quick clean, and a quick put on. And we're gonna just start out with cleaning the lace, of course. So I have the spray bottle. I put alcohol, 55% alcohol in there, and I spray a water bottle over it. And then, I lightly rub against the lace just to remove that excess gel that was left over from my last install. And this is what I do. I want to fully wash the whole wig, or I feel like I don't really necessarily need to wash the whole wig. So I do this. It probably will take me like a good 10 minutes. I kind of speed it up so it look like I'm being rough, but I'm not, y'all. So now I got my Got2b gel all over my hairline. I like to OD on my Got2b gel, especially if I know I'm going to be going somewhere where I'm sweating. So I want to make sure the wig is good, okay? As good as if I put adhesive underneath that wig, okay? Don't get it twisted. This wig would not slip up. So I spray the Got2b spray over it, just because when you use the Got2b gel, it has this white residue. So when I noticed that once I spray the Got2b spray over it, it starts to get clear and you won't really see the lace. So right now I'm blow drying it on cool, you feel me, real quick. And you guys probably wondering why you got that huge piece of lace in there. Well, I have hair there in my natural hairline, and to cover it, I leave lace there and I create baby hairs over the lace so you won't see it, because that's where my natural hair, my baby hairs are. So that's the reason why when I cut my lace, that's how it looks. So right now I'm holding my hair with some wrapping mousse or mousse lotion, whatever you guys called it. I feel like it has so many names. But yeah, I'm just molding my hair. I want a side part, and I'm gonna take this curler and just curl the ends. Spray some Got2b spray on this comb. Lay my hair around the parting where I want it to really define that part. Kind of cricket, girl, but hey, I was in a rush. I was like, you know what? I get questions all the time about how do I finish my wigs. This is what I do, especially when I have a short time. So I only curl the ends, give it a va-va-voom, but not too much. And here's the end result. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and my quick twerk section, getting myself pre-hyped. And I'll see you in my next video, okay? Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you like. Leave your comments down below, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video.